Hey guys, Legal Lockpicker here. Welcome to today's episode. We are going to do a pick and gut of a MAKO Model 427. But before we get there, I just want to remind everybody that we still have a giveaway going on. At the end of the month, I'm going to pick from one of the videos a winner, and what you are winning is a Tremendous 12 set from Tool. That includes these picks, and it comes with these tension tools, and 6 and 6 of each. And all you have to do if you want to win this is comment in the video, be a subscriber, like it and share it with your friends and family. It's like that. Let me know what you think about the video, and if you've ever had any run-ins with MAKO locks like I have. And that's that. So here we are. We have the MAKO Model 427. If you follow Legal Lockpicker on Instagram and Twitter, you know that this lock has given me quite a bit of trouble in the last couple of days, vis-a-vis picking, gutting, dropping pins, and stuff like that. So let's get to that. This right here is, like I said, their Model 427. It's a rekeyable, and this is the key right here. So the bitting is not too bad. It's got an American K-style keyway. So just looking down the lock, you can already see there is at least one security pin in here. So we know if there's one in the front, there's probably more in the rear as well. Okay, so let's pick it and see what we can do. Oh, you can see the key works. Everything's good to go. What I'm going to do is use this normally bottom of the keyway tool here, except I'm going to use it for the top. So I'm going to stick it right in here, and I'm going to use it just like I would any other top of the keyway tension tool. It gives me more control, and that's what I need. I need to be able to feel everything inside, and I need to have control. I'm using one of the picks from the Tremendous 12. So there that is, and the reason why I'm using this is because it's got a thin profile, comes up here, and then it gives me enough room at the tip here to give me some room to play with. It is not advised using tension tools like this, because what you end up doing is stretching the core here. So you just have to be careful when you do that. There we go, and she opened. So as you can see, this is actually a really tough lock to pick. I do have experience with it, so just something to think about. This was the other pick I was going to use in lieu of a non-open. Alright, so okay, because we have the key, unfortunately I do not have the hex tool for that, so I'm using this extra tool here. Okay, for those of you who don't know, what this is for is when you put it in, a long time ago, it was discovered that if you stick a turning tool in down the core of locks, you can actually turn it open without having, you can turn the lock open without having to pick it. So what they did is they started adding these to them, and what that did was prevent tools from going into the back. So an example of that would be a tool like this. You see how it comes in the back here, and you'd be able to turn it open. Okay, unfortunately, because I don't have any shims, I'm going to have to do this in a non-conventional way. I think you guys are starting to see why this lock is such a pain in the rear end. Alright, so here's what we're going to do, is we're going to take the key out. Oh, this is going to be a real hoot. So instead of pushing it out with a follower, like I said, that pin will get stuck. We're going to stick this in here. Okay, so we don't have any other unique properties in here. Nothing to spin about. Okay, you see what's going on in here? This is easily one of the worst pinning jobs I think I've ever done. Now keep in mind we're still trying to keep we're still trying to keep the springs in. This is absolutely insanity. There we go. Oh, no, you don't. Well, I'm assuming most of you are gone by now. Alright, so we lost one spring popped out so far. And that would be you tricky one. There we go. Now, I understand there's 10 million other ways we could have done this. Some more efficient than others, and some not as barbaric as others. But you know what? We got the job done. I was able to show you guys there we go. That's what we are working with inside. So guys, I hope you liked this video, and I hope you did get a chance to watch it all the way to the end. You do get to see we did have a couple of spools. We do have a couple of serrated pins, and I think there is one just regular, two regular pins in here. And they do that because even if they made security measures in, they wouldn't be able to be activated because the pins are so small. So for you guys that did stay the entire way, if you put in the comment section below, I stayed, in one of your comments, what I'll do is pick one of those people, and guess what? I'm going to send you a brand new MAKO 427 lock. Okay, so all you have to do is put I stayed in the comment section below, along with whatever other interesting fact you can tell me about this video. And guess what? I'm going to pick one of you guys, and you're going to get a free lock. Okay, you're going to get the MAKO 427, and I'll announce that on Wednesday. So don't forget to do that. It's also twofold, because if you put that in the comment, you're also going to get to be enrolled in the Tool, T-O-O-L, Tremendous 12 set, which I'm going to announce at the end of the month. So, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you got something out of it, and have a great day, guys.